Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. Tonight, I'm going to talk to you about my Ideal Industries 61-486 True RMS digital multimeter. We're going to discuss it, my likes and dislikes about it. With that being said, let's get right into it. Before I start, fellas, hit that subscribe button so you can receive notifications of my future videos. And also, you can take a look at my channel of previous videos that I've done. Hopefully, you'll find something or some tool that I've reviewed very interesting. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, like, share these videos so that'll inspire me to continue on putting on videos for this channel. All right, with that being, all right, fellas, let's move on. Like I said, this multimeter is packed with a lot of features. It looks small, mid-sized, but it's packed with a lot of features. Some of the features are, I'm gonna get into this. They have low OZ. A low OZ, what that does, that filters out if you're working on VFD drives or something like that in a noisy environment or ghost voltage or something like that. That's what that's for. They have hertz, AC hertz, AC voltage, AC DC voltage. The multimeter would decide which one. If you don't know if it's AC or DC, you put it on this one, and you press the blue button right here, and it'll decide automatically if it's a DC voltage or if it's AC voltage. This one right here, I'm sorry, this one right here is millivolts. AC or DC, same thing. But if you press this button, it'll decide for you. Right here, the blue symbol, that's capacitance. Below that is the ohm signal. The next signal right here is continuity, the black, and other one's diode. The next one right here is milliamps. DC, got AC, DC, milliamps, hertz. The next one is AC, DC, hertz, amps. I'm sorry, microamps, I'm sorry. And that's amps. And this is temperature right here. This is a real good multimeter. It's not real big in size like you would see like the Fluke 87.5 or 87V, but it's a nice multimeter that you can hold in your hand. And you can use it, you can put it in your work bag or just carry it around with you. But this is a featured pack multimeter, 600 volt Cat 4, and 1000 volt Cat 3. A 10 amp is a fused multimeter, and this is got range. Let me turn it on for you. You got range. You have the non-contact voltage detector detection. They got min-max. They got hold right here. They got the backlight. Check that out. That's a real nice looking backlight. And this is the selection button of whatever you want to put it on. Either, with anything that's in the blue, that's what you press this button here for and to get to it. Now, all this stuff that you see before you comes with it except for this, and these Alligator Croc clips right here. These two right here goes with these leads, which went with this, came with this, and the strap right here. These is a set of fuse leads that I buy for all of my multimeters. And this Velcro strap right here, I'll put them around all my. This comes from Fluke, so that's not doesn't come with this. But these are fused test probes right here, and I use them for all of my multimeters, all my clamp meters. Very seldom do I even use these. I just pull them out just to make it of this video, and to put them on here. I still keep them with me in my bag. In fact, this is the bag that I use right here to put them in, but I still use them. Now, these Alligator Croc clips right here are from Greenlee. I have a set of these in all of my pouches on my multimeter cases, each one of them too. So these, I like the large ones instead of the, let me show you something, instead of the small ones like this. I don't like these. In fact, I think these are the ones that came with this here right here. I don't like these. This is too small. Now, they can be used, but I don't like using them. I prefer using the larger ones. Now, let me see if I have anything that can, oh my goodness, I don't have anything I can test right now just to show you. uh, the measurements. I know, but anyway, this is a real good multimeter, very good multimeter. If you're looking to purchase a nice little multimeter where you don't need a lot of functions on it that you're not going to use, pretty basic multimeter, but just in case you need to use those functions, you'll have them, and it's inexpensive. You can go with this bad boy right here. And they also have a peak hole right there for 2 seconds. That peak hole. This thing is really packed. Ideal is a reputable company. They've been around for a long time, just like Fluke. Like I said, I don't know the number of years they've been around, but they've been around quite a while. And now, they were not the maker of this multimeter. I think they rebranded this multimeter. This multimeter I've seen by a company called, I think it's Bennings, Bennins. There's another company that makes this that's rebranded this multimeter. I think it's Isotech. And there's another one that rebranded. But anyway, this making model multimeter, what you see right before you, has been rebranded by several other companies besides Ideal. And nowadays you see a lot of that going on. You know, you see a lot of tools and test instruments. You know, everybody, you know, one manufacturer makes it, and everybody stamp their name on and sell the same tool, you know, and or same instrument. There's a lot of that going on. I've seen even Fluke do it a time or two, do it before. So there's a lot of that going on. So I won't give Ideal credit for manufacturing this meter, but they put their name on it, and I'm just just saying it's a real nice meter. It's a really nice, and I've used it. I've been using it for a while. It's a very accurate meter as well, you know. And I don't use it like all the time because I have several other meters that I use also. But this is a real good meter if you are in the process or out there looking for a meter to buy. Now, I'm going to get into this. When I see a fused test lead, I'm going to show you what I mean by fused. This thing right here, now the Fluke have some fused leads where the fuse is much bigger than this thing right here. This is probably a 5-amp fuse, you know, but it's something. You know, I wouldn't say be going out there and trying to test no high voltage with this thing, but this works in the residential panel for me. You know, that works for me. And you know, these leads right here, they're really nice, flexible. They don't feel stiff like most of them. These are really feel flexible right here. These are the Ideal leads right here, and this goes on here like this, and that's how they look. This is the Ideal leads. This comes off. Well, no, this is not the one that. No, I'm sorry. It's not the one that comes off. Okay. But anyway, this goes on here. Fits perfectly. These would fit in here, as you know. Like so. And I know you noticed that these leads stick straight up, and these leads go straight down. Now, you know, I mean, I like the strain relief on these, but I also like these. You know, this don't bother me that the leads stick straight up. You know, at one time, all the leads stuck straight up like this before they came out with the new strain relief like this. But either or, if there's some good test leads, probes, give them to me. And you know, I like them. No problem whatsoever. And but anyway, I like this meter. And this is the magnetic strap right here. It goes on the back. It takes a 9-volt battery. There's hooks in there like that. It's a real strong earth magnet on it, I'll tell you that. And there you have it. These leads right here fit in here like this. Wait a minute. There you go. They fit in the back like that. There you have it. You know, you got your test probe going like this. There you have it. Nice, real nice multimeter. Okay, fellas, I want to stop you. I want to thank you guys for stopping by, as always, from viewing my channel. Again, I tell you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That inspired me to make more videos. If you like this video, I want you to share it, and leave a comment if you choose. And and we could talk about whatever. If there's something that I should have mentioned on here and I didn't, I can't remember everything, fellas. I'm sure I forgot to mention something. But if there's something that you need to ask me about this multimeter, do so. And again, I just want to thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate all the comments that y'all have done on my past videos. I appreciate the ones who subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, fellas, I want to thank you and peace out.